motherfucker, before I do that. Do you think our parents were overestimating the snowstorms that like they had as kids just because they were shorter? Right? Because it's like, oh, it was really bad back in the old, but you were short, so of course it seemed as if the snow was really high because you were a kid. What's the idea?
Never thought about it that way.
It's been cold, right? It's been fucking cold. So, and you know the problem is, I don't have thermal underwear. So you know what I've been doing? I shower. You know what I do? I put back on my fucking pajamas, Doc, and I put the pajamas into the socks. Put whatever pants I'm wearing on over those, and I leave the house. I call them thermal underwear's ghetto cousin, Long Jerome's. I know how stupid that was. But I had to say it. Oh, God. Last three. Fuck, man.